Now to check whether this is axially loaded column or this column is uniaxially loaded column or biaxially loaded column, we will apply a check that eccentricity in both directions should be less than 0.05 d, where d is the larger dimension of the column. Now here E is calculated as 21. So 21 is obviously less than 0.05 into 450, that is eccentricity for which design has to be done is less than 0.05 d. That means that column is axially loaded. If we talk about the load carrying capacity of axially loaded column, it is 0.67 F5 AST plus 0.4 FCK into ASC. Now this comes out as 0.67 into 415. Area of steel is pi by 4 into 16 square by 8 because there are 8 bars each having dia of 16 mm plus 0.4 into 25, and area of concrete can be approximated as 450 into 450, but actual area of concrete will be 450 into 450 minus 8 into pi by 4 into 16 square. This will be actual ASC, but in the question it is clearly mentioned that you have to calculate the Pmax approximately, and all the choices they are wide apart, so you can definitely use ASC directly as 450 into 450, from which P comes out as 2472 kilonewton, and the closest approximate choice is choice B. Hence correct answer for question number 53 is B. Question number 52 is C, and you will be getting marks for 53 only if your choice for question number 52 is correct. Thank you.